Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. A careful captain was sailing near a coast he did not know well. The waves were gentle. The sun was shining bright. The captain was focused. He wanted to find a skilled pilot to help him. At a small port, the captain saw a fisherman. The fisherman looked friendly. He was smiling, but the fisherman was pretending to be a pilot. He needed money for his family. The captain believed him. The fisherman said, "I can guide your ship." The captain let the fisherman guide the ship. After half an hour, the captain felt something was wrong. The waves were getting bigger. The sky was changing. He asked the fisherman, "Are you sure you're a real pilot?" The fisherman smiled and said, "Oh, yes, I know every rock on this coast." But the captain was not so sure. Suddenly, there was a loud crashing sound from under the ship. The captain's heart raced. He felt scared. The fisherman was surprised. He quickly added, "And that's one of them. The rock is here." The captain realized the truth. The fisherman was not a real pilot. He was just a fisherman. The captain learned to be careful. Always check if someone is qualified. It is very important to trust the right people. They safely turned the ship around. The captain thanked the fisherman. This time, the captain would find a real pilot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.